Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin. We are currently learning Python and we are in chapter 11, that is classes and objects. In our previous tutorial we have seen one example of creating classes and objects. So today we will continue. Okay, now let us see the syntax: class definition and objects instantiation. Okay, this is the keyword class and the class name, and we will pass an object, right? That will be superclass, and after this colon we provide the attributes, that is the fields, and the member functions that we also called as methods. Then object instantiation. How do we instantiate an object? Name of the objects equals to class name. And how do we invoke methods and attribute? Using a dot operator, object dot attribute object dot method. Okay, and there are some special class attributes in Python. These are underscore underscore dict underscore underscore, that is a dictionary variable of class namespace. Underscore underscore doc underscore underscore, that is document reference string of a class. Underscore underscore name underscore underscore, that is the class name. Underscore underscore module underscore underscore, that is the module name consisting of a class. Then underscore underscore basis underscore underscore, this is the tuple including all superclasses. Now let us see an example. So we will be doing one example. Let's go to the programming environment, and in this cell we will create a class. Okay, say cat object, cat, and here we will write its weight equals to 0, initialize it to 0, its name equals to a blank. Okay, that would be enough. Now let us define the member function. Methods. Okay, so diff meow, we have to pass this self. This self is something like this pointer in C++. Okay, so it references the current object, and after this colon we will write print meow. Let's define another one, display cat. Okay, so this displays cat will also have the self reference, and here what we do, print say I'm a cat object, my name is, put a comma, then reference those attributes using the self dot its its name. Okay, print my age is self dot its age. Okay, print my weight is self dot its its weight. Okay, that is enough. We did it. Let's run this cell. There is no error, so the class is created, right? Now let us create some objects. instantiate objects. Okay, object fresky equals to the cat object, right? The cat object. Let us run it. Okay, now the object is created. Now we will initialize these variables, right? So we'll refer it using this object dot say its weight equals to say 3. Then this dot its say age equals to 1. Its name equals to say fresky. Okay, let us run it. Now we will call those method fresky dot display cat. Okay, so this display cat, now let us run it. You are getting the cat object, right? Then say fresky dot meow. You are getting a meow reply from the cat. So this is another example of creating classes and object. Now if you want to instantiate another object, you can do it. Say whiskey equals to a cat object again. Okay, this is another cat. Now we will do some modifications. Let me quickly do cut copy paste. Okay, then we will do some modification. Whiskey. Okay, now we are creating another object here. Run it. Then we can call respective methods dot say display cat, right? Now you will get this result. Okay, this object whiskey dot meow meow. Okay, so you are getting, so this is a way you can create your classes and object. Now please note that in this example we have not used any constructor. However, we did in our previous example, right? So in this case the default constructor will work, and we will be discussing some more interesting topics in the upcoming tutorial, where I will be showing you say getter and setter functions and others, so that I will cover in my next tutorial. So keep watching. Thank you so much.